Welcome back to the lecture 2 of regression classification course. I am going to discuss now, or I am going to demonstrate how a three-dimension histogram looks like. So we are going to consider the 3D plot 3D, and then we are going to consider the empty curves data set. And now if you draw the scatter plots of say horsepower versus miles per gallon and keep PCH equal to 20. So on the x-axis we are drawing the horsepower, on the y-axis we are drawing the miles per gallon, and we would like to draw histogram for horsepower, we would like to draw histogram for the miles per gallon, and then we want to draw a joint histogram which will be a 3D histogram for horsepower and miles per gallon together. So drawing a histogram for horsepower is pretty straightforward. If you just say hist, so it will draw a histogram for the horsepower. Similarly, you can draw a histogram for miles per gallon. You can choose maybe a slightly different color, maybe blue. And so this is miles per gallon. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to first draw a joint table. So first you have to do a cut, say cut HP with maybe 6. So now it will give me all the values which are between these different cuts, and if I just do a table of HPC, this will give me the frequency distribution of horsepower between the variables. Now similarly we can do a miles per gallon cut, CUT MPG, again with 6, and again if we do a table of cut, so this will give us my frequency table of miles per gallon. So if you just transpose it, now we can create a joint table of horsepower versus miles per gallon. So this gives us a joint table of horsepower versus miles per gallon, and let's call it TABL. Plot 3D histogram. Plot 3D histogram is hist 3D. Z equal to, we have to just say table. If we just, so this is our 3D histogram, but we have to say which is what. So we have to say X lab equal to horsepower, Y lab is miles per gallon, and Z lab is equal to frequency. Okay, so then you can choose phi to be 25, maybe, then it will create a bit of a 5, sorry, phi equal to 25, 20, and if you choose maybe 40, 30. So this gives you an idea about the joint distribution of miles per gallon and horsepower. So that's how we are going to draw you get a sense of what is the joint distribution of two variables. And now we are going back to theory about what is the regression line from a joint distribution.